All right, let's take a quick moment and review some of the features of ZoomIt. ZoomIt is an application that you can install. Directions are located within inside of my blog, or a quick search online would generate the internals link for you to go ahead and download and run it. First thing to make mention, ZoomIt is a presentation tool. Allows you to enhance online presentations or specifically your screen that you may have. I'm going to just walk you through some of my favorites here overall. There's a lot more that's available here, but again, when you take a look at some of my favorites, it's with over a decade of experience doing hybrid, in-person, as well as remote technical training courses. First thing to make mention is that if I do want to zoom in on my screen, I can go ahead and utilize the Control 1. When I do Control 1, it zooms in on my screen, as you can see, allows me to zoom in and select the specific area. You'll notice that blue little icon comes up here for us. That is the ability for us to mark up. You don't always have to zoom in if you want to just mark up on your screen here overall. So with that, I did utilize the ability to draw a quick rectangle on my screen. I'll go ahead and just press the escape key. It does clear it out. There's no memory here unless I choose to save it, which is using the Control S. Across this for us, if I wanted to utilize some of the markup functionality here overall, I just go ahead and utilize the Control 2. Control 2 does allow me to essentially come in and mark up or add some additional color to my screen. Notice if I just want to start drawing, I can simply go ahead and draw. So I'm going to draw a nice stick figure here for us. As you can see, it's maybe not as perfect as I would like, so I want to go ahead and utilize some other tools and features here for us. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and change the color. To change the color, I'll select the R key on my keyboard. That just represents red. There's also yellow and green and pink, appropriate with the start or the first letter of those words. If I press and hold down the tab key here, I can get a nice circle. And again, here I can do a circle for a head. I can go ahead and do my eyes here for us as well, so we can start to see that drawing along the way. Now with that, the next thing I may want to do is I may want to do a straight line. So to do a straight line, I'm going to hold the shift key down, and you can see that I'm essentially clicking and dragging here for us. So we'll go ahead and draw a nice straight line along the way for the legs, as well as the arms here for us. I missed the starting point there, essentially. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a smile on here, manually here, so you can see some of the changes. There's one other feature that I really like. It's using the Control and Shift here for us. That does allow you to draw an arrow here for us. So here's where I can actually draw an arrow and point to an appropriate arrow along the way. So with that, some nice little features that's available for us. Again, one of my favorite features here is if I did do a markup on a technical document or technical set of information, if I did use the Control S key, I can go ahead and actually save that out. When I do that, it does launch, obviously, the save information here for us. Notice that is a PNG, so I can go ahead and use that, share that however I would choose. There's a bunch of other features that are available here with ZoomIt, but just wanted to give you a quick couple-minute overview here as well. Feel free to check out the blog for more.